Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear subscriber, I hope that you are all doing well and great in your lives. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn Biology with Naz. In today's topic, we are going to discuss the types of fertilization in detail. After the formation of gametes, fertilization occurs. There are two mechanisms by which fertilization can happen. One of those is external fertilization, and on the second number, it's internal fertilization. First of all, let us discuss external fertilization and its process in detail. As the name reveals, that external means outside the body. So this type of fertilization occurs outside the female body. So you will define it as, in this type of fertilization, egg cells are fertilized outside the body. It occurs mostly in aquatic environment. For example, the animals are the organisms living in the watery environment. How does it happen? It requires both male and female animals to release their gametes, that is, sperms and egg cells, into the water at the same time. What's it happen? First of all, female fishes lays egg in the water, and the male fish waits to separate sperm over the eggs to fertilize those. For external fertilization, it's necessary that the animals have to release a great number of gametes. What are the risks or disadvantages of external fertilization? There are some hazards that are attached to the external fertilization. That is, there is the risk of loss of gamete due to environmental hazards such as predators. In which animals does external fertilization occurs? It occurs in invertebrates and the first two groups of vertebrates, as is fishes and amphibians, because both of these lives in water. What are amphibians? Amphibians are the group of animals that live both in water and on dry land. For example, frog. So as the external fertilization needs water, so it happens in fishes and amphibians. Here is the diagrammatic description of external fertilization. On the second number, there is the type of fertilization, that is internal fertilization. As the name reveals, that this fertilization happens within the reproductive tract of female body. So you will define it as, in internal fertilization, egg cells are fertilized within the reproductive tract of mother. Such animals provide protection to the developing embryo. This type of fertilization occurs in birds, reptiles, and mammals. Reptiles are those animals that live on dry land, that is turtle or lizards, etc. Here is the process of how is egg fertilized within the female tract. Now, there are three groups of animals in which internal fertilization happens, that is birds, reptiles, and mammals. There is a slight difference in the fertilization in birds and reptiles and in mammals. First of all, we will have a look on the fertilization in birds and reptiles, or on the animals that are egg-laying animals. After fertilization, reptiles and birds make a reproductive shell around their egg cells and lay those eggs. And rest of the fertilization or development of embryo occurs outside the female body within the protective eggshell. What are the advantages of shell? The shell is resistant to water loss and damage. This is how a bird embryo is developed into the organism. Fertilization in mammals. Mammals are the group of organisms that have hair on their body and they feed their young ones. For example, human beings. In mammals, the development of fertilized egg into the baby takes place within the mother body. In this case, there is extra protection to the embryo, and mother also supplies everything that embryo needs. This is the process of internal fertilization. So far in this video, we will meet inshallah in the next video with the new topic. Till then, take care of yourself and your beloved ones. Allah Hafiz.